Yeah man, welcome back peeps. So
I just let them fish so they can put the bar or something.
Yeah, you know where you go. Don't sweat it. Antipalette. That's a yourself, you know. Yeah man. Alright.
Seriously?
Yeah. So bye next time.
Alright, next time.
Yeah, we are catching up fish. Yes up. Put this in a day. Nice up.
I think one up.
Yeah man, peeps, we know we are going to beat with subscribers them away from Germany, them forward from. You see me? Them already call me and tell me say, yo, reach at the location, so them are wait for we. So today we are going to one place named Galena Wilderness. We do some fishing, you get what me I say? So them subscribers come from Germany and them never fishing yet. So we are teach them to keep it outside.
We have a number of them who are before the post and make commercials and serious injury.
Yes, you know, so today is a epic one. We're going to put out the best of it, isn't it? Implement what's to be done. You know.
Yes, my peeps, welcome back to another episode. You know, Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV today with a Galena. And we are going on a fishing with the subscribers them. You don't know, you know. So guess what, yard and abroad, we're going to make Blacks tell you no war go on today. But you just stay tuned. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself.
Yeah man, yard and abroad, so subscriber them from Germany I pull up. So I don't know I go teach them how to get fish. As we said, them never catch fish yet, so I don't know I got the bull load. Man, they eat 83 dumpling. Until somebody can beat him, on a link up. Because we are looking for somebody to beat bulldozer and 83 dumpling. Can't do it. You still can't hear him?
Right now.
Oh, you have a fishing. Oh. So peeps, as you see, heading over. We're there on place named Wilderness Galena. You don't know, you know. Father, I tell big up yourself, you know. Yeah man. You don't know it goes so. Yard and abroad. I don't want to forget to say that. So today, go through the bush. Hold on there. I change your clothes in the bag here, you know, peeps. So I never get me change your clothes and bring it across this about. Today I'm gonna be an epic day, you know, cause we have 2 subscribers never fishing before. Them leave all the way from Germany. So they more learn how to fish. So big them up, big up everybody. You guys can come along and do the same. Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. So we are getting some action. So bus a change, touch on the rock, keep it lock my peeps outside. lot of sinker because you walk down now. Something we use when the water is calm. We have to put something heavier. You feel me? We have to set up Jero, right? Jero line. You see me? We have to give him a line. And then put up and send it out and see. Remember this is right. Jero, you know what to do when the fish are by?
He just stop, just pull it back.
So once the fish bite and run, jack it from a line. I'm ready, jack. Then you a bit rough. You have to rough to get something to it, you know? But more than the less, something's still a problem. Ready? Come on, so babes. I will be here today and I remember we are sent Jerome a road, you know, first time fishing. You know, man? Way from Europe, the general forward from, you know, man? See it, so see that the general, so you have some good, you have some shrimp, you know. Remember in a paper, look out this upon the water, hot
See, high tide.
breeze, hot.
High tide.
So we say, even if me catch a fish today, a bonus. So if Jerome not catch a fish today, we'll not cuss him. In first time, you know. So babes, look here now, I have a big up Fox, Explore Jamaica TV, you man. The whole team, you know. So, shrimp, yeah. We are doing shrimp today. We have cool book power line, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so we're going, you know. We are stripping, you know. I remember them where they had to drop them like still, you know, say, you feel like I can join one drop, Jero. You feel like I can join one drop. No drop? Drop, drop, drop. Yeah. No black drop, black drop is poison. Drop. Alright, so I get up the line. Send him out here, guys, you know. Yeah, man. See how we are doing it now, babes. Already have our hook and stuff. One shrimp and a tuna. Set them out, you know. So babes, see, you know, line date up, you know. So Jerome said if I make the first shoot, so him can get an example of how it's done. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We have box here on the rock. we're known for. Head back down to the town, do the right thing, you know. So, look how we have to do it. Keep it locked. Yeah, then a brand. Don't know it. Jackets! So when we reach up there, so the line it bust off, you know. So we are set up back the line. I want the general catching first fish today. You see me? I use stone sinker. I want that bit of weight too. Yeah. This just about this good enough. You see? General wanting first fish today, first fish. What kind of fish you want to catch?
I don't know.
Anyone?
Anyone.
You know a pilot? Yeah? You know a fish named Pilot?
Pilot?
Yeah.
No.
Alright. I'll make you catch a pilot today. Yeah man, so what is happening now? Remember you know peeps, so one day General catch him first fish today. Can't make him come to Jamaica and not catch a fish. And say that a twin name, you know? So send the line out there. Last time we come here so we catch a jackpot, too much pound. Or 3-4 pound. So I walk them out there today. Yeah man, so bait him up. But you know I know me a dry in the fish, you know, in general, you know, I know the fish, you know. So send me out there. Let me in out on the rock, you know. No? Come on man. Yeah man, take off your shoes man, keep on your socks though. I'll get a fish. some subscriber visit, you know. I want him to catch a fish, you know, the first time. And you know so that can be difficult, you know, because, you know, never happen, man. It's gonna happen. Hey, you know so it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. You know, I'll catch a fish, you know. Come on. Hold him, pull him in. Let's catch him. Let him catch. You feel him?
Yeah, man.
Oh, we give him a little. Oh. Easy.
More?
Stop. You felt him just now, right?
Yeah, for a second.
Stop. On the pull up. Well, no press up. Give me a second. One. Oh. Why is that stop? Let me see if it's still on it. Stop on that rock. You bite it, you know? Bite it. One stop on that rock. Feel it? Stop. Stop. No. Feel it? Feel it? Show them man all of the fresh fish, man. Yeah, man. You know what's that called? You know what that called? Grunt.
That's a gun.
Grunt. Right. You catch a grunt. Yeah, man. You can take him, put him in the igloo, man. Hey, Lips? That's the box? Yeah, throw in the box, man. Cover him though. Throw it in some.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you know how it feels now.
On this one, it was a light pull.
Huh?
It was a light pull. I didn't feel it quite as much.
Yeah,
But I felt that it moved.
I want you to catch one by yourself now. What? You can bait him up as well? You can put the bait on as well?
I think I can.
Yeah, man.
So you pulled it, you stuck it, and you pull it under, and then over again, right?
Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
Let me show you.
For the next one, I'm probably gonna do it.
That's a grunt, your first fish is a grunt.
I'm gonna remember that.
Yeah, man. Let me show you how to do it.
Take the gut out, or just
Just
take the shell.
the shell off. Yeah. And put it in the hook. Just do like this.
Twist it and
Sure.
okay.
So what you do now, don't watch this piece. This piece is gonna eat this piece first until he come over the hook, you know? So what I want you to do, yeah, you know to, yeah, you're gonna hold it. Yeah. Then look, you're gonna try and throw the line between the rocks. You know, between the rocks, right over here. Yeah, in the middle. Yeah. Try to go in the middle. line there, Conky. Yo, carry the Conky with it. That line there.
I still haven't made it on the snow.
Put it up, put it up. You can tell that something is on the bike. You're gonna see it. See anything? See something? Yeah. Stop. Alright. Yeah. Done. Yeah, that's okay. Mas é em tua, e aí vou vai em tua, e eu
Should I just leave it on, the rest what is on here?
Yeah man, let's leave that on.
Okay, so you put one in, and then you turned it,
Yeah.
and then back out here.
That is it. That is it, my general.
Alright. So you can say I'm a quick learner.
Yeah man.
Alright.
A quick learner is a quick earner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get you on there?
Yeah?
You want that? The stone just sticking with it.
comfortable in that school. Otherwise, school rules and all that thing. You know, bye.
I think I lost it.
You know some alright still. The pilot are fattest pilot them to see it. You know what? You see? Where's the guy? You know? Everyone see man.
Pilot.
You don't know how I name
Pilot.
Snow just messed up, yes.
What that rain? Rain?
No.
Yeah man, I fought this pilot them man. What? Just let him go. I show him in a view.
Yeah. When I get that
The subscriber them gone. You don't know. Them just come to catch the experience. Them man all the way from Germany. And guess what? I take about 3-4 more choke. You know it's a hot spot this in a pips. But just catch a jack. And get where? You see me? But you hold them up. Hold side. Yeah man. Bring in something now, you know?
Yes, yeah.
Igloo! Bulldozer, yeah, get them here, you know, chop away the bait them. So slimy parrot, you know? Chop away the bait them. Yeah, get them, I get 3 or 4 more fish. You know we have to go, you know? But whatever is whatever. Yeah, get to it. You know what them? Okay, you mean? Yeah, man. Play them, bro. Come in, man. Quick, man. Let me know how long in a pilot. Come. Quick. Come in.
Tu me lancer till.
Short people have come.
Jag var träff lokalt. PC rock så tog det i bara no?
Yeah, man. See, bad. Condition bad to people. Very bad. Yo, bitch. Why, we don't know. You tell them every job I join, so.
Yeah, man, to go for igloo, bad man. You're not confident in a blacks, you know?
Igloo is near. Right here.
Never forget it.
Hey man, you don't know a fish tear is later. Yeah man, a fish tear is. You know, so I line up to banana, 2 flowers, a cock soup and a pepper. And so okra and so that. Yeah man, flavor up the pot. You know, one part that. One part that. Live.
Come on, man. I'll take him fast so we can get another show. People see bad today, you know. Yeah. It's a bad day we come out, but you know.
You see me? I know fish tea enough. Yeah man. Anyway go. 2 banana in a man.
2 banana.
And a cock soup in
And a cock soup.
2 flour in a.
2 flour.
And pepper in a.
Pepper.
Season up in a.
And what?
And okra from my shop.
Watch I know, babes. I'll take one last joke. You don't know, you know. I don't think we're there so long, you know. You don't know most of the day. We are search for the best one.
Don't forget the pumpkin, because pumpkin have to go in there too. You do the yellow color and the yam there.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, welcome to the end of another video. You know, it was just a little quick thing. You see it, babes, to the breeze, the sea rough. You get what I say, so we just come to the best spot where we feel set. We could have grabbed something. You don't know, so we're going now. Catch couple local fish, not too tough today. Big up the subscriber, them will pass through, you don't know I go. The general, them say them want to feel how it feel if you catch a fish, you know. So, big up the subscriber, them I swear. But people, yard and abroad, blessings, Father, I tell, big up yourself. You man, the whole yard and abroad, you don't know I go. So, we are going to zoom out now until next video, because you don't know I go. So just keep it locked, man. Blessings and respect. Yeah, man.